Hi guys, this is the Anonymous guy here, and today I'm going to be showing you the components to build a sick GTA 5 ready gaming PC. And to fit all our components in, we have this main board ATX motherboard. It has all the features you will ever need. You can put 4 different GPUs in here, which is a lot. Here we have a RAM. I know it's 2 gigs, Kingston Technology Value RAM, but a computer does not need more than 2 gigs of RAM. As like GTA 5 uses only like 1/10 of this RAM. So here we have a graphics card. It's #1 seller in the US in 2015, and you know it has to be good because of this. And it could be looking bad, but it's one of the best out there. It has a HDMI port that can do up to 144 Hz, even though I can only see 60. Like, it has this good heatsink, metal plated, you know. Yeah, here we have our CPU. It's quad core, 2.8 gigahertz. I know it's Pentium, but it does its job as well as the Intel Core i7, you know. And here we have this cooler, maybe stock, but you can still do a decent amount overclocking. Here we have a hard drive to keep all our games on. It's 40 gigs, I know, but like GTA 5 only uses like 500 megs, half a gig, you know. Here we have a power supply, you know, yeah. It's 480 watts and should give all our parts enough power. So now actually that was all $100, but if you want to go one step further, you can get this computer case not to get your components wet or dusty. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you later.